Pero meron po ba nagtayo sa inyo ng negosyo na ang objective niya is magsara? Wala, di ba? Lahat tayo, ang objective natin para magnegosyo, syempre, para kumita. Tama ko ba? However, a lot of businesses are shutting their doors. Around 70% of the businesses, they close on their first year. Alam niyo po ba yon? 70% of businesses, they close on their first year. And around 90% of the businesses, they close on their fifth year. And around 95% of the businesses, they close on their 10th year. So, sino po dito nagnegosyo na more than 1 year na? More than 1 year, praise God. So, ibig sabihin, nandun po sa 30%. No? So, kami po ay 7 years na nagnegosyo by God's grace, nakalusot na kami doon. So, wag na sana kaming maaabutan ng 5%. But, in reality, the business right now is becoming more difficult. Habang tumatagal po, humihirap ng humihirap. Lalo na tuwing tagulan, tama ba? Pag tagulan, syempre, yung negosyo natin, no, mahirap. But in reality, 10 years ago, is a totally different environment. Kaya, very important na as we go along as entrepreneurs, as business people, is to equip ourselves with the learnings, the wisdom of the people na nagsara yung negosyo. Bakit? Kasi, sabi nila, di ba, you need to learn from your mistakes. Tama ba yun? Oo, pero merong mas magaling doon. You learn from the mistakes of other people so you won't commit it. So what I will be sharing to you are the mistakes and the pitfalls ng mga naunang mga negosyante na I hope hindi natin gagawin sa ating mga negosyo. Okay po ba yun? Alright.